True. Yeah.
Blessings everyone and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. So today, as you know, we're in the jungle as usual. I'm heading to a location which, you know, it's history, basic history, which you do on Elite Jamaica. I'm heading back to a location, guys. I'm going to show you on screen the 400-year-old bridge that we went to, the dam bridge. Now, after doing that video, we got good feedback, but then we keep on a hear that other stuff is on the riverside. Slavery relics built from a water pump or a water, what do I call it now? A water distribution facilities. All the slavery relics on the riverside. Alright, so I've got a good video for you today, guys. Just follow me. Alright, watch the intro. Yeah, guys, so I don't know, I'm afraid of cow, though. Look here. That doesn't look like him bad, though.
No, sir. Look calm.
Calm.
Yeah.
No, I'm look for me.
Really?
Come look for me, yo. Come look for me.
Serious.
Come look for me. Watch it. You don't know how to do it.
There's another one, bro.
Yeah, guys, so we're out and about again. Never a greater feeling. Selvin, big up yourself all the way up in the UK, right? Yeah, man, bless up with there. So, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And like how we just come back, yeah, man, you the motivation, yeah. So, then I can take the next 2 minutes and do that. Click the red button, click the thumbs up button, and you know. The babes are surrounding us here now.
True, bro. Good. Yeah, folks, you know, this is a place that, you know, a lot of persons come and look at yams, you know, to go to market. This is a place that they come. This place is known as Ratasili. Yeah.
Yeah, so we do we now run some of the grass.
Really?
No, down at the farm. You know which one there.
Alright. Alright, when you're ready.
Oh, is it coal? Yeah. More coal. Right now the road in there? No, dog, you run him, now pass him, no, dog. Yeah, I'm not pass, I'm not walk past coal, dog. I have to move out of the road, dog, I walk somewhere else. See me come the dog. You hear them sound the way I make? Yeah, stay there something pass. Don't pull him out, you know. Come on.
What?
Me, my watch. Come, Malcolm. In Thai. Ramping him, look.
Ramping, but it's dangerous.
Come here, man.
Yeah.
And I make some sound. Yeah, man, around here, some glass. Nah, go catch good lighting, is it? No bring drone there. It's free to fly the drone there all them places, you know? Next thing go over saying some bush and you got drone there. No problem though. It's not steady in the sky. So that's why I'm not really fly. See over there, so look with the camera.
Yeah. Yeah. Good still.
Yeah, peeps. This is a hut, a farmer hut. Like when you have a farmer and you're in the bush, you construct a small structure like this. This is where you shelter the rain and where you put on your pot and stuff like that. I don't know if you are reproduction, but I want to kind of mushroom still, you know? Because you can't shelter that under that anyway.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, man, still, no?
Yeah.
It's not the reap, some yeah, man.
True
Cut
that.
off some, huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, this is a Chucky.
Done.
Something in the head, bro.
Chucky done.
Something, Chucky done. Something in the head. You have one pole stand up like Jimmy Neutron, yo. Bend down back here. Peeps, you don't see that? No, down here. Bend down your head, sir. Peeps, you don't see that pole there? Anybody see it, let me know in the comment section down below. Now that is dirty wine. When you say if you always have alcohol, I think them will like this too, because this will come from way back when, you know. This is one old wine, you know. They have been making these for a very long time. I don't know what the music make it still, but a dirty wine in it. So that we are going to beat right now, and then we get going. Alright, so we are all arrest peeps. And the rest we do, no? Peeps, the truck go down there, so. Boy, come like truck, you not even remember how far the truck go for real, you know?
That's right.
So it's like we're going to last today again. I don't think we're going to last too, because you use the sense of direction. What you say?
Yeah.
But you say, come on and come tie goat in a truck.
Yeah, before.
So you can't last the people. And all the people come do, you can't last all the people.
Eventually, down there.
Down there.
Yeah.
Because we have to go down there so still.
Yeah, basically.
So I must down there, so.
Yeah.
Anyway, we have to reach down there.
Anyway.
Through the bamboo, over the
Through
bamboo.
the bush, maca, everything down there. So we have to go through everything.
But we have to find the truck. Because peeps is a slavery truck. One road that them create from back then we pack with stone. So once you come out of the bamboo, them thing you cover the ground, then we're supposed to can find back the truck leading down to the river. I have a beautiful river to show you guys. And one bridge. It's not beautiful though. Me and somebody talk on.
Yeah, that over there.
Oh, what about over there, sir?
Alright.
Over there, sir.
Over there is known as Knox River.
Knox River?
Yeah.
Oh, my God, Knox River already. But we're not going over in our community. We're going down on the riverside.
So it's in between Knox River and Glastonmount.
Oh,
no,
Glaston.
Sorry, not Glastonmount. In between Knox River and Rockasilly.
Rockasilly?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, peeps. Chucky, I do like you not drink none of the wine, see, but Chucky, I go drink here.
Yeah, see. That's the long one.
What up?
Yeah, more, bro.
What do you more, yo?
You have to be careful, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
What's up, man?
Yeah, no. Oh. Come on. Yeah. I know the road here, man. Some place I tried.
Right?
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah. Alright, so I'll go down. That's it. Yeah. So.
Yeah, cold on this one.
Oh, okay. Call past this place.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure?
I'm ready.
So if we go up, feel?
No, okay, we have a bang, we have to the river.
Down there go.
River, we are extra, is it?
Yeah.
The road.
Yeah. So actually when we walk, it'll make me reach faster then. But technical.
Okay, you say I know this shit.
That's a step, bro. Alright, so.
Yeah, man. We're up on the right road still, you know?
Yeah.
Then you know, sister, we're not going no more.
No.
I just to drop back from the road itself, and there's some other answer.
Yeah. Yeah, done there, sir.
Done.
Alright.
Yeah, one pump?
Yeah.
Go left.
Yeah. Walk for left. Walk for left.
Watch out, you know. That's why we are shades in the bush, go so. Left where I head for, you know.
Left?
Yeah, man, always go left, bro.
Yeah, I'll go down. And then we go down. Okay. Like I said,
Like the last step.
look. So, see the side you come at? It's not silver right there.
Huh?
That's not silver right there.
Oh,
Wanna see it?
over there, so.
Yeah. See how they run there? Don't step right now.
Yeah, guys, we find back the truck. You know, we take almost an hour and a half if we find back the little truck here through the bamboo. We literally lost up and down, right and left. Chucky, I say right, me I say left. Chucky, I say left, me I say right. We find it still, guys. We're on the way. Tell me if you're not tired, because I don't know. You don't follow me.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we reach one place on the truck. Let me know who remember this stone that I showed you guys in the last video. When you come down here, because it has a round edge, so you know, so when you come down, you turn and you go that way there. I truck have been a long time, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, long time. So we're on our way. Go on, Chucky.
Alright. This just scared me, folks. This just scared me while
Thing frightened Chucky, my walk and buck up in it. Yeah, man.
wow. Beautiful.
Nature.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so, you know, I'm always on high alert, but now I'm on high alert because I find a footprint. And for some reason, this look like it's a barefoot footprint. Come and show you guys. And a barefoot. So shoes, my water boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So somebody walk here since, well, it could be yesterday. It could be this morning. But we're up on high alert. Because nobody not really coming at them this shit. Alright? So, we're there. Peeps, so all of them will be a cut stone, you know, peeps. Them stone of them that cut for build the bridge and them thing there. A lot of is left over here because we are close to the bridge. So you'll notice that some of these stones actually look like blocks. Because they were cut. You know? Yeah, man. So, we're there wait, peeps. Now follow me. Yeah, peeps. So this is the famous dam bridge. Alright? And for those of you who have never seen this bridge, now click a link to our video on screen where you can see the video about this bridge. However, what we're going to do today, as I told you guys, we're going to be heading down on the river to see if we can find the rest of slave relics that are down on the river course. Alright, but I'm showing the side of the bridge and everything that's but first we'll walk up here. Beautiful river, guys.
That's how the beautiful stream look like, you know? Spring water.
Guys, the thing, the final now look for, I'm not sure now what. Hold on. Yeah, no. I'm not that. Yeah, yeah, man. Please, I think my final now look fine. You can't pick up my shoes like you know, young. I can't.
No, that one. Walk right, sir.
I can't pull it. One bridge provides like that. Now use bad luck to drop in the water.
Yeah? Oh. Alright.
There's a stone this now.
Yeah?
There's a stone this here and come here to water.
Stone?
There's a stone this here.
Yeah.
I don't mind that.
It's the same point I put in like in a pack?
Yeah, the water deep one.
Alright.
Water will make this look like a wall, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So come and look for an old dam for the river. I don't know, we always find some other things that we not look for. And we just find gold. Now show you this, guys. We find a lovely pool. You look there. No!
Look, bro. Look, folks. This is very beautiful, you know?
Nice. Are you dropping up?
No, I'm not gonna drop, bro. Wow.
Nice, yo.
Right now. Wow. Amazing, brother.
Nice. Lovely.
Fantastic, right?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, we know it. Okay. Yeah. This we love, you know? It's the natural spring water coming from in the hills, you know? Yeah, man. Every time I see this piece of joy and happiness, you know?
Yeah, guys, so I know persons may be wondering why I haven't been filming since the last 2 months. First, we have a camera issue. The phone never did a film good. I see phone I still use anyway, but I remove the back height, the little camera lens off it. My camera is not up, still need my stick. And then I got mechanic too much time. So what I did, I use YouTube, watch YouTube videos, and pull down my engine myself and start out the vehicle. The vehicle up and running, so we are going up on the road, alright? Yeah, man. Guys, as I know, I just come back on the road. The memory card stop work because I haven't been using it over the last 2 months. I don't know what, but people are reach size limit. So, until then, thank you all for watching. You all stay tuned for the next video.